What's good, y'all? It's your boy Sun B Gaming, aka the SBG, and I'm back with a GTA 5 video. And y'all know what mission I'm doing. I'm doing the second part of this mission, as y'all can see right here. And right now, I'm finna go to what's it? Banham Canyon, wherever it's called. I'm about to steal me some two planes, and y'all gonna watch me do it. And I hope I be successful, completing this mission. Well, I don't know. I'm not going to tell y'all. Y'all got to watch and find out yourself. And I hope you guys will enjoy this video. As a matter of fact, if you want to, leave a like and subscribe, you know what I mean? And I'll talk to y'all at the end of the video.
God dang, how far is this location? Is it up there? Hold up. Is that it? Bro, I looked in front of my car all messed up. I tried to do a drift earlier, and I ended up freaking crashing into a wall. Ooh, bro, did I just kill an animal? Oh, no.
Okay, next part is your choice. Either you steal one mogul for me to provide air support when we go for the Titan, or you get two moguls and we can fly in together. Side by side, bro. Like two eagles or something. Plus, the more we get, the more we sell when this is over. It's up to
Uh-huh. Y'all getting jacked.
Meanwhile, this eagle's gonna crack up here.
Hold up. Hold up. Oh, hey. Ooh.
Once we have our hands on the Titan,
Woo.
I'll find buyers for any aircraft and equipment we stole for this
Nah.
takedown.
Ain't no way he's still alive. I just shot him. Bruh. No, ain't no way. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm hard to kill. Alright, let's go. I'll kill every single one of y'all before I go with y'all plane.
Back safely, and then, if you want both planes, you can return for the second one. No
Okay,
rush.
okay, okay, okay. About to
No
die.
rush, but
Gotta heal. Gotta eat snacks. Oh no. Oh no. What's another helicopter after me? Uh-huh. Woo! With a pistol. I'm gonna kill the rest of them with my pistol.
must have some heavy lift choppers in their fleet.
Uh-huh. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Bro. Bro, ain't no way I missed, bro. Hold up. I was about to say. Alright. I gotta still. Damn, I killed every single one of them. I could have killed some of them and took the airplane. I'm gonna take this one right here. I ain't gonna lie, I have not flown an airplane like this before. I'm not gonna lie. Because I spend like most of my money on this on an airplane place, you know what I mean?
Yeah, Eberhard's getting ready to send backup. Watch your back.
Can I put my landing gear? Okay. Ooh, okay. Can I switch from nope. Oh shoot. Oh, I got company. I got company. Like kill them before I could lead them to okay. Well, I got my landing gear up. Wait, what? Ooh. That was close. That was close. Nope, you ain't gonna get me playing? Nope. No, I'm gonna get this one right here. Wait, no. If I try to go after this one right here is gonna shoot me down. Okay, no, I know I shot it like a couple times, bro. This is gonna be a long. Ooh. Oh. Thank God there was a second one. Thank God.
If y'all wondering what happened to the other plane and why am I getting on the second one, well, let's just say that the plane got destroyed by the plane I was going to shoot. Yeah, the plane I was going to shoot down ended up blowing up the other plane, and that's why I'm on the second one. And let's just say that if I destroy this second one, yeah, I'm going to restart the whole mission and destroy the planes again. And luckily, man, before my plane blew up, I ended up getting a shot at the other plane that blew up my plane. Well, we killed each other at the same time. Basically, we killed each other at the same time. Some kamikaze type stuff. And I'm on this second plane. I'm about to, destroy the bases and, land the plane at the, plane place that I bought. Oh, and hey, if y'all enjoying this video, hey, come on, man, click the subscribe button, yo. Like, come on, what's going on? Y'all viewing the video and y'all not subscribing. Like, come on, almost 100% of y'all are not subscribed. Come on, y'all. Help your boy out, because we trying to reach 1,000 subs before the 2024 New Year hit. So come on, y'all, click that like button and that subscribe button, and tell y'all friends and family about this YouTube channel. Know what I mean? So show your boy some support. Know what I mean? Let's get back to this video.
Shame for them. It's gonna be way too late. Nice hit.
Alright, hold up, here go another one.
Just freeing up the market.
Can I listen to music in here? Oh, I can. Damn, I missed. Alright, we'll try this one more time. Am I out of bounds? Oh, I'm about to say. I was about to say, I had to press square to reload the bomb. Alright, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Alright. Text what?
Hey, shoot me a text whenever you want to wrap these up. Okay, that's a wrap, huh? I'll get to work.
Alright, finish. Damn, I can't believe I freaking lost the other one though. Yep. It was supposed to be 2, but the other one freaking got exploded when I was fighting the other plane. Well,
Hey, so with these moguls, we'll appear as friendly aircraft on Everhard's system. We'll fly down beside them, you know, real casual, keep it tranquilo, tu sabe. Then bam! Element of surprise. Love it. Man, I need a beer.
Well, that's it for this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, leave a like and subscribe. And come on, y'all. What's going on, y'all? It still says 100% of y'all, well, almost 100% of y'all are not subscribed to the channel. Y'all view the video, y'all watch the video, but y'all not subscribed, man. What's going on, man? Hit that subscribe button so we can reach 1,000 subscribers before the new year 2026. We already reached our goal, hitting 500 subscribers before 2025. So we're going to do that goal again. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Take two, take two, take two, take two, take two, take two, take two. Love you all, love you all, love you all, love you, love you, love you, love you. Take two, take two, take two, take two, take two, take two, take two.